Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the left, with the camera frame. This is the aspect ratio. Now we are in 3:4 ratio. By tapping on this we can change this to 9:16, so this is a little bit longer one. As you can see, the background of the camera has changed. The next one available here is full frame, full ratio of this camera. This is how it looks like. Let's go again to this and tap on this button, so we go to 1:1, the square one. And when we tap on this button here and this one, again we go to 3:4, so the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.